Yabo sombi bwechi barakima ikatego na NTSA niwe cyakira gusangirira birengarire byabo igoro ye kigali cyo tumeka ko imukemezi ko kuranse memo cya sensemenden abayigo bono kigali cyo tumekwa kiki skuru asoko nyara go ikerania emerobiri etarengeti ki skuru kolengane kyombe kino gyate ngati ya makikago kikobeko bunenkire mu yoko nyara ko yeninse okomente kana kumibasakano hiyarro kana komente kana omujigo yuri tukoliyaro no ikerano mona bwatani bunenkire mu yoko lige kinkira baranyara ko yeninse mangana rengeti basakano yarro kana komenta mono Samatuko Abwangoiga.
And today we are here in Kisii, and we are discussing two regulations: the school transport regulation and the heavy commercial regulations. So under the heavy commercial regulations, there are few issues that we've proposed under the regulations. And one of them is the licensing of the operators and the licensing of the vehicles, the heavy commercial vehicles. The other safety issues that we've been able to address is the under-ride protective device that is providing when there is a small vehicle that is driving behind a trailer or a heavy commercial vehicle, and also the reflective material that is supposed to enhance the visibility of the tracks. So that is about the heavy commercial. And also the issue of the towing for those towed trucks on our roads, so that we avoid them colliding or other road users colliding with them. And those are the main issues. Under the school transport regulations, we've also been able to introduce the school license, the school operator license, and also the vehicle license. We call them the road service license under the regulation. Then the issue of the vehicles that this rule will apply to those operators, the school vehicles, the school transport operators, and also now there is the introduction of a NAM that is ensuring the safety of the children.